Today we'll talk about how can you delete account on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on delete account, just click on it here, then come to next step here. So then here add your password. When you just add here your password here, so then you click here on delete, then automatically it's going to delete with you on your Audiomack app. So that's all you have to do to delete your account. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.